I try to do this, I'm listening to a podcast on my headphones, and Murphy's running around playing with a ball, so there's going to be all kinds of noise. This is the Sketchbox for July, and it came early, thankfully. So, because it's still June right now. Now, I was trying to figure out what it is. It's not very heavy, but I don't think they do charcoal 2 months in a row. Doesn't feel, it's either pencils, and then I looked at this and it was watercolor. I was thinking maybe it's watercolor, but I don't think this correlates with what's in the box, because it says, do you want art on our boxes? Use supplies in this box and tag us. So, I'm afraid. Oh, it is watercolors. Okay, now I'm happy. Nice. All right, let's take this out. Ooh, masking fluid. Did I get a sticker? You know, the sticker's the best part. Oh no, I didn't get a sticker. Here you go, Murph. You want that? Oh, no sticker. That stinks. All right. So create a bookmark. Okay, that's what this is. Oh, it's Hanamule. That's good. Hanamule watercolor block. Create an abstract bookmark by layering the watercolor and masking fluid. So you get the Winsor & Newton set, a dual-headed brush. That looks like what do they call those? Dagger? Yeah, it says dagger on there. 3/8 of an inch, a fine liner in gray. Oh, that's very fine. Oh, I didn't know Winsor & Newton did that. Masking fluid, the paper, and this. Oh, how come there's no sticker? There's a sticker there, but there's not there. I'm not liking that. All right. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I suppose I should use the masking fluid since it's contained in the box. Well, maybe I'll do a bookmark. Oh, there's the sticker. Yay! Oh, that's kind of cute. It was hiding on me. Cotman watercolor. Oh, I gotta open them all up. Oh, that's always fun. I always love doing that. And it comes with a little brush. That's a nice brush too. Good pointy little brush. Uh-oh. All right, so this is I don't use masking fluid a lot, but this is kind of, I like this because it comes with this little, what is this, nozzle or something? Because the ones I have, you have to use a brush for, I think. And that can be messy and it destroys your brush. You always have to dedicate a brush to it. Well, that's kind of neat. All right, that'll be fun. Let's see. So I guess I'll open this and do a little swatch. It's like opening candy. And it says it on the side what it is. I've had Winsor & Newton before. I think I had a set like this a long time ago. Lemon yellow hue. Cadmium yellow hue. I don't know. Does it say on there? That's the lemon one. Oh, just cadmium yellow hue. I love yellow all of a sudden. I just use yellow a lot. This is cadmium red pale hue. So it's sort of orangey. Alizarin crimson hue. This is going to have to go in the giveaway box. I have so many watercolor pens. It's a nice color. These are really nice colors. Oh, what's this one? Looks like, yeah, ultramarine. Cerulean? Yeah, cerulean blue hue. Yeah, cerulean blue hue. Ugh, Viridian, is it? Or is it a Viridian? I don't know why I don't like that color. It's so strange. I like this green now. I like warm greens. Maybe that's just it. What's this one? Sap green. I like sap green. This looks like ochre. Yellow ochre. Burnt sienna. Well, I might do a bookmark, but I might do something also with just painting. I'll just do it on a page or something. Oh, I didn't look. Burnt umber. Did they give oh, that was it. Sometimes they, oh, it says head over to explore by using the prompt for travel. I don't know. My whole last month of sketchbook was travel. I'm kind of over it at the moment. To wait until I'm actually traveling. And that's just white, Chinese white. All right, so there's that. Let me test them on this. All right, so just a plain piece of paper on the top. And then this is 140 pound cold press matte, 100% cotton. So let's, which one should we use? Maybe we'll use the little one. What happened to the little one? Some water. Ratty old paper towel. Yeah, I find that Winsor & Newton, I'm not sure why. Maybe they just have a different kind of binder, but they're really hard blocks, and it takes a lot of water to get it moving. Not that that's bad, it's just an observation. And then there's 3 spots here that you can do mixing on. Yeah, I like that color. It's like a warmer, I think I just like warmer colors. Which makes sense because I like orange. Although I don't mind cold reds. I do like any color red. So this is, I think it's cadmium orange hue. Is that what it was? I forget what I said. So yeah, it seems like they do the primaries. They do a warm and a cool of each of the primaries. And then, well, they give you an extra yellow. They give you 3 yellows. Although I suppose that could be, I don't know, brownish maybe. So, because it's near the, no, that's brown. So you get warm and cool brown, warm and cool green, and they just throw an extra, throw an orange in there. We don't need another yellow. I'm not a big fan of yellow ochre. Oh yeah, I like this one better though. It's like a lime color, kinda. Yeah, it is kind of brownish. I don't know. I don't know. These colors are actually pretty good. This looks reddish. What did I say this was? Burnt sienna? Oh, that's really pretty. It's very orangey. Ooh, yeah, these are nice colors. there. A little bit of water in there. There are the colors. So a nice palette for me. I love that brown because it's very orangey. So it'll be, I think these colors will be good for me. I'll have to come up with some kind of design with the masking fluid, and then I'll find something else to paint. Maybe I'll do another one of those faces or women with the patterns and designs. We'll see how ambitious I get. Actually, I could probably use the masking fluid for that too. Okay, I'll be back when I have my finished products. Oh yeah, I gotta remember to use this too. Yeah, that's kind of nice. I didn't know they made these pens. And 0.3 is the size on that. I like this brush. I don't think I have too many daggers. I have a couple. Oh, it's double-ended. Oh, that's what they meant. I thought they meant like you could do like, you know, like a straight line, and then, so it is. There's, what's on the other side? Round 4? I've never had a double-ended brush. How do you store that? You must just have to keep this on. So yeah, what did it say? 3/8 inch dagger and round 4. That's interesting, because I usually throw away these plasticky things. All right. So if I keep that one, then I can keep it like that. This one is kind of flimsy, so I'll just keep the bottom one so I can put it in my little jar. Okay. All right, so I will be back. All right, just thought I would record this. I just did the masking fluid, and just to show you, it might just be because it's a really small area and I'm trying to put a lot of this in, but it was a little bit out of control because it would just come out in a blob. And then I was able to do smaller lines. And also, there's a lot of bubbles, but I shook it up first because I wasn't sure. Does it say to shake it up? It doesn't say it. I just thought I should have shook it. Maybe I'll do another one and I won't shake it. Or I'll just, I'll do it without shaking it on the larger piece I think I'm gonna do. Okay, so I finished my projects. I used the paper and I did one bookmark design, and I used just a regular sketchbook and I did a different design. So, let's see. So this is hand mule, and this is 100% cotton, so this paper is really nice. Although, it's narrow, so it's kind of hard to do too much on it, but it is really nice paper. I do have a sketchbook by them. I don't think I've even used it yet. But anyway, so this is what I came up with. A little bit messy. It was my first time using this, and like I said, I shook it up so that it was a little bit bubbly, but it still worked. I don't use a lot of masking fluid, but I like that it comes with this little tip so you can be a little more precise, although I see some globs, but a little heavy-handed. And I used the watercolor in the background, and I did use this to kind of outline afterwards, so it's a little messy kind of design, but there you go. And then I did this for myself, I guess. I did this, I used the watercolors, and I used the masking fluid for all the little dots. I used the pen to do sort of outlining on all the circles. Did I say that? And I used this brush. Well, I used this end. I don't really use this end very much at all, really. I used it, I tried to use it, I tried to play with making like the, you know, like the leaf shape, but I couldn't seem to get it. I don't know, the material is a bit odd. It's not like the regular, like synthetics Taklon that I usually like to use. It feels a little bit more plasticky, so I don't know if that's the difference. But this end was okay, the round end. And this one is, it's a round also, it's just a little bit smaller. And then I think I used one of my own paintbrushes afterwards. I used one of these, just a regular round, but I don't know. Okay, oh, where'd the other, oh, I said, where'd the other paint go? It jumped out. This brush, which is pretty good. I like this. This is more like the brush material that I like, so I don't know what this is made of. It does feel different. So yeah, that's it. Oh, and I use the pen also for some detail in the flower and some detail on the face and the hand. And what you can see is like that. So I think I really kind of prefer, I'll go grab it. I prefer the way this came out with the acrylic paint. I don't know, just my preference, I guess. See how solid the hair looks on this, and this looks kind of, it might be the paper also, because this is just my sketchbook, so it doesn't have the 100% cotton in it. It's one of those handbooks, sketchbooks. So I wonder if it would have looked a little more solid on the cotton paper, but I didn't have room. It's too little. So yeah, and I really like the colors that came in this set, and I think I got this set before. I think this is in the giveaway box already, so I think I might have to do 2 giveaway boxes, because I got probably I got this set from Palettefull Packs at one point, maybe. So yeah, but the color's really nice. But they didn't have black. That was the thing I was going to mention, because I was kind of wanting to do her hair a lot darker. So I did 2 layers of the dark brown. But because it's watercolor paint, it's not going to be as thick. So just, that's the only sort of difference. I did find now with the masking fluid that even when I was really careful and I was really slow about it and I put the dot, when I pulled this up, a little teeny dot would like fly off. So I'd have to go in and kind of rub it with my finger before it dried. Well, I guess I could have done it after it dried, it didn't matter, but before I painted over, and when I did that, I made a couple of smudges. So it's not perfect, but I think it is better. I do like, I like it better than having to use a brush. Although if you want to be precise, I suppose you have to use the brush, but I do like that little tip. I think that's a cool little invention. So that's it. Those are my little projects. And that's my, what is this? Sketchbox for July. These 2. Just brought that over to compare. Yeah, I really like these little faces. Oh, I forgot her name again. Julia. So I think it's Julia or Yulia. Ozdemir. Sorry, I'm not good with pronunciations. Again, so I just really like her style. So, I mean, these are a little bit different in actual style, but it's the same sort of type of subject with like an interesting background. So, yeah, I'm going to do more of these. All right, so that's it. Hope that was interesting. Enjoyed that. And I'll see you next time with my next box. Hopefully I'll get my Palettefull Packs box this week, and then I can do the video for next week. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.